Happy Taco Tuesday, everybody. It's Wally from Bentley's and Wally's Walk and Talk. And it looks like our afternoon walk has a imminent rain delay. I was planning on getting our new friend out and about. I'm not going to say his name because I don't want to jinx it. But it is not going to happen right now, I can tell you that. I do apologize. But we do need the rain here in this area. So I'm not going to complain too hard. Sorry. But either way, we still enjoy tacos, right? Heck yeah. Happy Taco Tuesday, everybody.